The design of Samsung's Ti and S series has remained mostly consistent, although subtle changes are made every year to improve both the aesthetics and the user experience. While we are still a few months away from the Galaxy S25, some information about this much-anticipated flagship device has already surfaced. The results have been mixed. The Galaxy S Ultra, in particular, has adopted a rectangular shape with sharp corners that, while fashionable, can be uncomfortable. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's design was one of its most exciting features, and we now have a possible front-facing image to go with it. First of all, the corners are no longer sharp 90-degree angles that may cut into your hand. The S25 Ultra is anticipated to have a design that is more similar to the S24, with a flatter front and back, according to Ice Universe. The back of the new S flagship has rounded corners on both the frame and display, which is a significant change from its predecessor. This may lead to a slight asymmetry with the front being more rounded than the back, creating a softer silhouette that should feel more comfortable to hold. Hypothetical comparisons with the current Galaxy S24 Ultra and the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro Max verify this. But the new Ultra still has a rather rectangular look when compared to the iPhone. The combination of the well-known S Pen, a recognized design, and Ice's posting tendencies have brought us to this point, even if Ice Universe declined to name the item directly. As there seems to be a little redesign under consideration, we can only refer to it as a recognizable form. We can't really infer much more from such an early leak, but the render seems to show a more rounded corner, particularly when compared to the present version. To be clear, this is completely conjectural and entirely subjective, but I have a sneaking suspicion that a major camera upgrade is imminent, especially with respect to the zoom lens. A subtle hint that the telephoto capabilities of the S25 Ultra are about to get a significant update is the use of a giraffe in what seems to be a marketing picture. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.